If you want to better connect with your teen, stop dragging them into your world and start meeting them in theirs. As parents, when we think about the quality time we have with our children, especially when we don't have a lot of time with them, we try to make the most of it. We try to pack it with enrichment events, or we try to find alignment between what we like and what we think will expose our child to different things. So for example, if we enjoy sports, we try to get them to a sporting event or to engage in sports in some way. And again, that there is a place for that. But if you're looking to connect with your teen, if that's your goal, instead of coming up with all of these things that has potentially a shared interest between you and your child, just meet them where they are. So for example, if they're into watching random TikTok videos, then just watch those videos with them. If they're into shopping at thrift stores, go with them shopping, even though there's nothing there you would ever buy. And the idea here is to not see quality time and connecting with your teen as an opportunity to lecture them and teach them life lessons, but really as an opportunity to show them that what they care about matters to you, even if you don't get it. And that's going to go a long way in terms of how they engage with you. And hopefully, then they might be more open to other ideas you might have when another time comes up. So try this this week or even today. If you, for example, your child plays a lot of video games, instead of telling them to stop playing video games, get curious. What games are they playing? Can you watch them for a few minutes? And that, again, will go a long way to showing them that you care about what they're interested in, and you're not constantly just trying to change them or get them to do productive things. If you enjoyed this tip, follow this video to receive more tips, and I would recommend joining our mailing list. That's a nice way to gain access to exclusive parent resources. We have full-length webinars, and you can find all of that information in terms of how to sign up in the description. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video.